In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your motorcycle license in Florida. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To get your motorcycle license in Florida, you will need to obtain a motorcycle endorsement on your existing driver's license. So I'm gonna give you a general overview of this whole process in this video. For the eligibility, you must be at least 16 years old, and you must have a valid Florida driver's license. For you to start this whole process, you will need to complete a motorcycle safety course, which is mandatory. You must complete the basic rider course, referred to as BRC, or basic rider course updated, BRCU, motorcycle safety course with an authorized sponsor. Successful completion of the course can exempt you from the road skills test. You will be able to find all of this information available on this website, FLHSMV. So look for the Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles page on Google, and when you arrive here, you will be able to browse through all of the options. You can look for this page specifically, Motorcycle Rider Education and Endorsements. In here, they also have a full overview of the process. After you acquire this document or you complete the safety course, you will need to visit a driver's license office and bring the required documents. Bring your valid driver's license and proof of course completion. Pay the required fees for the motorcycle endorsement, and after that is done, you will have acquired the endorsement, and now you will be eligible to drive motorcycles. And you can find all of the information available here, like I mentioned. If you need help finding an authorized sponsor, you can use this link available on the government page, and you will be redirected here, where you have all of the information needed. So you will have these sponsors at every single location available here. You can go over to their website and see the courses that they have. You are looking for either BRC or BRCU, which is BRC updated. And after you acquire all of these steps, you will be able to get this done. Keep in mind that you should still read through all of this. I can't cover every single step on this video, but as you will notice, there are some requirements. For example, you will have to do it within a certain period, so you can't sit on it too much. And of course, you need to present all of the necessary documents. And as long as you obtain these in the required time frame and you present them to a valid office, you will be able to get this done. If you want a motorcycle driver license only, then you will have to complete these steps below. But you can upgrade your pre-existing driver's license using the steps that I mentioned in the video. So look for this page on the website here, Motorcycle Rider Education and Endorsements, and you will be able to get the most up-to-date information, including the locations for the sponsors and the fees required to get this done. When you go over to any of these locations, you will be able to get the safety course done. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your motorcycle license in Florida. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.